In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete and restore stories. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure you're logged into the back end of your site and then click the Stories tab. To delete one story, the quick way is to hover over the story title and then move the story to the trash. If you're deleting more than one story, you're going to click the box next to the story title and select the number of stories that you need, and then you're going to click bulk action and move to trash. Click apply. This moves the stories to the trash folder over here. Here you can either permanently delete the story. Please note that stories that are permanently deleted cannot be restored or recovered ever. If you did not mean to delete that story, you can restore that story. So you're going to click this number of stories that you need, or the special button up here that will click all of them for you. You're going to click bulk action and restore, and then click apply. This moves the story out of the trash and into the main page. Stories that are in the trash for more than 30 days will also be permanently deleted. Please do not use the trash as a storage bin. If you do not want a story to be published, save it as a draft. Stories that are recovered need to be either published again for them to appear on your homepage. Let us know if you need any help.